In front of me is the LENOVO Tab Plus 11.5 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. You need to begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Now to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back to standard keyboard, this arrow at the top left one. Finally, to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. If you want to paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on it here. To pin it, use this pen at the top right corner, click on your sentence and tap on Pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. Then, to delete anything from your clipboard, use the same pen. Tap on all of your sentences that you wish to delete and use pin icon next to the pin one. Lastly, if you want to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Then go back thanks to this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!